Wim Wenders taught me everything I need to know about love, eternity, and heaven. Innocent curiosity rewarded, I stared hard into the mirror to put on my best face. To find the courage to make a dream come true. You laughed and were intrigued. I heard you breathe a sigh, a release. You laughed and were intrigued, and I was enchanted fully. Again. By ocean sparkles framed by dimples and starlight hair. Alive again. Finally. After eternity without, I saw you. Your presence was not a requirement. Not so now. And so it began, the second time last April. Had I forgotten something I'd always known? Was I remembering something I'd just learned? Again? A memory in colour? Or a black and white dream like the first time? When I lifted my head to see through my haze, an angel shining brightly through the dark. You made all the choices 8 months of the year. The rest, I dreamed or remembered. Forgot or remembered. The angel chose the direction, and oceans no longer sparkled. Armour comes crashing, and feathers float earthward. Slow motion, light, because all that is left is heavy. And me with my wings of desire dreaming, remembering forgetting, remembering that the curse of humanity is free will and the price is eternity transformed. Far away, so close. I thought a black and white world of certainty held much more promise than a technicolor world of chaos and confusion. JNV Emotional Orphan 2014